All right, welcome back everybody. Today I want to show you our finished buffet that we had built and showed you a couple days ago. So as Matt had kind of explained, we have 3 drawers on either side of the buffet. Each one you can pull out and it's full walnut on the walls and the drawer front. You can see the dovetail joinery that we use to create the drawer box itself. All of our drawers are outfitted with soft close hinges, so it's a nice tight fit when it goes shut. Additionally, we have doors that open up in the middle of this one per our customer specifications. The customer wanted a hole in the back panel, that way they could pass some cords through for their television. So we got those added in. Every cabinet we have has built-in adjustable shelf pins, so you can adjust the shelf to any height or take it out. It's up to you. We try to include them with every product though. This one is outfitted with steel metal legs, powder coated with a satin black finish. And as we had just said before, the whole cabinet is built with FAS walnut. So it's a really cool product, one of my favorite ones that we've built. Our team had a good time building it. Our customer for this one is based out of Idaho, so this is going to be shipping out next week, and probably about a 3-day transit time until it arrives to her home. So hopefully when she gets it, she sends us some photos that we can update you guys on when it's in her home, and hopefully she enjoys it as much as we do. Thank you.